Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy from Acbuy. To begin, open your browser and go to the Acbuy website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll start your shopping process, and having the site fully loaded before you continue can make the next steps smoother. Next, locate the search bar and type in the sample item you want to look for. In this example, you'll simply enter a sample product name to demonstrate the process. Be as accurate as possible when typing your search term, since a clear keyword usually helps bring up more relevant results. After entering the item, proceed with the search. When the search results appear, look through the list and click on the sample item you want to buy. This will open the product page where you can review the item more closely. At this stage, it's a good idea to make sure you've selected the correct listing, especially if several similar products appear in the results. Once you're on the product page, select the specification for the sample order. This step is important because many items may come in different variations, such as size, color, model, bundle type, or other options. Be sure to choose the version that matches what you want to purchase. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid ordering the wrong item. After you finish making your selections, click on Buy Now. This moves you from browsing into the purchase process. Before continuing, it's helpful to quickly review your chosen specifications so you can confirm everything looks correct. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete your purchase. The exact checkout steps may vary depending on what options are available on your screen, but generally you'll continue through the buying flow by reviewing your order details and using the payment method available to you. If the platform prompts you for shipping, billing, or confirmation details, enter them carefully and double-check for accuracy before finalizing the order. As you complete the process, pay close attention to the checkout page so you can catch any mistakes before placing the order. If something doesn't look right, it's usually best to go back and fix it before proceeding. And that's the basic process for buying from Acbuy. Visit the site, search for your item, open the product, choose the specifications, click Buy Now, and follow the checkout instructions shown on screen.